My name is Vibhor Srivastav and I am an Oracle Apex developer and Oracle as apprentice. In today's video, I am going to show you how to we build a bulk invoice download and digital signature system using Oracle Apex, Oracle Database, Python and digital certificate. In this project, user can select multiple invoice, generate a PDF, digitally sign them, automatically store their cryptographic hash in a Oracle database and later verify whether the invoice is original or has been modified. This is a complete enterprise level solution that demonstrates how Oracle Apex can be integrated with Python to build a secure documents workflow. So let's start. Project overview. Let's first understand what we are going to build. Our application consists of three major modules. First is a bulk invoice download. Second is a data signature generation. Third is a invoice verifications. Talking about database design, first I have a first table of a invoice header. This is the primary invoice table. This is the primary invoice table. It stores all invoice information such as invoice number, invoice date, customer name, GST number, invoice amount. Whenever an invoice is generated, the data is fetched from this table. Second table is an unsigned invoice file. Invoice, we store the unsigned PDF files in the table. This allows the application to reuse previously generated PDF instead of generating them every time. Each record store invoice ID, PDF file, file name, credit date, uploaded on, file content, like that. Now let's move to Oracle Apex. Here we created a page called bulk invoice download. On this page, user can see all available invoices. We added a checkbox column, right? Is a download selected invoice. Next we create a download selected invoice button. This is the invoice button. Whenever the user click this button, Oracle Apex loops through all selected invoices for every selected invoices. This application generates the invoice PDF, create original, duplicate and triple copies, right? Fourth step is download assigned PDF. We also created another button called download selected assigned invoices. Instead of generating new PDF, this button simply downloads the existing unsigned invoices stored in the database, and this is the save process time and improve application performance. Okay, and I have been already done. This is a download invoice zip right process, and I have an unsigned button process. First step, I have completed a Python digital signature. Once the zip file is downloaded or Python application start processing every invoice, the application loads the PFX digital certificate, open every PDF, creates a voice digital signature, empties the certificate and save the signed invoice at the same time. Python calculate the 256 hash of the signed documents, and I have created the register SAR256. Python calls an Oracle REST API. The API receive invoice number, copy type SAR256 hash and store them inside Oracle database. Now every signed invoice has its own unique fingerprint, and I have completed invoice verification. Now let's verify the invoice. The user upload the signed invoice, the application calculate its SAR256 hash again, then it compare that value with the original hash stored in Oracle database if both hashes match. The invoice is verified. If they do not match, the application immediately reports that the invoice has been modified. Three layers of security. First layer is a digital signature validation. The application verifies whether the data signature is valid. Second is the document has not been modified after signing. SAT 256 hash verification. The current hash is compared with the hash stored in Oracle database. If both value match, the document is original. And certificators is finally Adobe Acrobat check whether the signed certificate is trusted. If trusted, Adobe display the trust is the signature icon. If not, it may show a warning. Even through the signature, it is still cryptographical valid. So that's how we build a complete bulk invoice download, digital signature and invoice verification system using Oracle, Apex and Python. I hope this project helps you understand how enterprise applications securely generate, sign and verify documents. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.